Hey y'all, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this really cute, I want to call it like a bathroom vanity set out of items from the Dollar Tree. The little wooden parts for the feet came from Walmart, but pretty much everything else is from Dollar Tree. You can switch up the colors on this to pretty much match any decor, and you don't even have to use it in your bathroom. You can just, use it wherever you want to use it. Anyway, stay tuned and I'll show you how to make it. Hey y'all, let us get started. First off, what you're going to need, one of these little silver serving trays from the Dollar Tree. You're also going to need 3 of these. These are the new incense holders that the Dollar Tree has. They have these white ones and they have some gray ones. I just grabbed the white ones because I thought that they would be easier to spray paint over. And you're going to need some hot glue and some E6000 and a few other things, but first let's work on this for a little bit first, okay? Now let's talk about these incense holders. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of this lightweight spackle because I have a good amount of it, and I'm going to use it to fill in the little holes here where you put the incense. Now you don't have to use this if you don't have any. You could use hot glue. You could just put some hot glue in there. You could use wood filler. I know the Dollar Tree sometimes, sells tubes of caulking. You can use that. Anything that you want to use that can fill these in. Like I said, I have a lot of this, so that's why I'm going to use it. Hold on a second. I'm just going to use this right here. This is just a stem that I had cut off some artificial flowers, and I'm just going to try to scoop some out here. And then just take it and smash it down in there. Now you want to make sure that this is fully dry before you go spray painting it, okay? Because the paint won't adhere very well. So anyway, I'm just taking this and just filling in these little holes. All right, these are filled in. I got it all over me. It's okay. I can go wash my hands here in a minute. But anyway, now what we're going to do with this tray is we're going to put some little feet on it because I don't like when trays and things sit flat on a table. I know, I'm weird. But anyway, I got this set of these little caps. These came from Walmart. You get 8 in a pack, and you get 4 of one size and 4 of the smaller size. And we're going to be using these large ones, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and open these, and let's get the larger ones out. Why are you doing this? I don't know. Let's get the larger ones out. So you can see they're hollow on one end, like so. Now to glue these down, we're going to be using a mixture of the E6000. I should have just cut that. Of the E6000 and some hot glue. Now the hot glue is going to stick it down for now and hold it in place temporarily, and then the E6000 is going to be what provides us with the long-term hold. And yes, I'll take this label off. Y'all know I've been messing with the label police. Funny. I think it's funny. Oops. Look at that. Let's get that off. There we go. Okay. All right. I think I got it. I like this kind because this is the low odor. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of the E6000 and put on part of it. And then we're going to put hot glue on the other spots where this is not. Let's put... The lid was stuck. And if you put Vaseline or chapstick or something on the threads, it helps to stop the lid from getting stuck. And I didn't do that. The last time I had the lid off and it stuck, so I had to cut the thing, and that's kind of made a mess. But I'm just trying to put this, you see right here, kind of like where the tray starts to curve. I'm just going to stick that down right there, and then I'm going to do the same thing on these 3 corners here. Now once I get that glued down, I'm going to take all of this outside and I'm going to spray paint it with this metallic finish Rust-Oleum spray paint, and this is in rose gold. Okay, so I'm going to finish gluing this down, and we'll take it all out and paint it, and then we'll come back. All right, y'all. So this is what our little doohickey looks like. It's been painted, and here are all of our, well, not all of them because the other 2 sitting over there, but anyway, our incense holders that have been painted. That paint is really pretty. I'm really liking that. Now what I'm going to do now is with my piece of my tape measure, listen, this household loves Indiana Jones, and my kids was watching Indiana Jones, and they used this tape measure as their whip, and they tore it all up. But anyway, I've got this marble looking contact paper that I gotten from Walmart, It is Duck brand. Some really good quality stuff. And when this stuff sticks, it stays stuck, okay? But I'm just going to take this. Let's start with the 34 here. And I'm just going to measure. Ooh, you hear that? Thunder! 43 1/4. So I'm going to measure this, and then I'm going to cut out a piece of contact paper that's going to fit in the bottom here. Okay, that took me a minute because you can see I rounded the corners so that it would fit down in here a little bit better. Now, when I go to use this stuff, because like I said, when it sticks, it is stuck. I just kind of peel it off a little bit like this. Don't peel the entire backing off, okay? Now, I bent that a little bit where I was trying to peel it. And I'm going to try to do this because I'm sitting back and the camera is like up here. And I would like to be in front of the camera. Okay, now we're just going to smooth this down. And then you take your paper and you just very slowly just work your way all the way across. Like, so if you have like a debit card or like a squeegee that you use, you know, like with your Cricut or, you know, anything like that, that you can, you know, do that motion all the way across to help it smooth out, that is very helpful. But now I'm just working my way all the way across. Okay, that is what we have so far. I'm really liking the way this looks, y'all. I'm liking it a lot. So anyway, let's get this out of the way. Let us set it, somewhere over there. Okay, so now what I have, once again from the Dollar Tree, this here. And yes, I'm going to take the labels off later. But anyway, I'm just trying to decorate it for the video. You need one of these. Well, actually, I have 3 of these from the Dollar Tree. I have a package of these jewel border stickers. And the reason why I picked out that color paint is because I think it matched these pretty well. And then I also have a package of these. I've not really seen these in my store before, but I think they're pretty cool. These are little candle holders, little votive holders. And I have a thing that hangs on the wall that's missing one of these. So now I can maybe get it out of the closet and hang it up because I have a replacement. But anyway, why are you not coming? Oh, for heaven's sake. Now, so what we're going to do with these stickers is we're just going to take these and then we're going to put it around, I think right here, because these, I picked these because they don't really angle out very much. Some of them do. This part right here looks to be pretty straight. So I think you're going to be able to put on a strand of these, a string of these without too much trouble. These are pretty sticky too. I'm surprised with their adhesive properties because they come from the Dollar Tree. All right, now let me work on this and get this off here. Okie dokie. I usually have something laying on the table to hold the glass so it doesn't roll around. But let's see. Oh, darn it. Now, how's that? I got his little towel. And I'm trying to not handle this too much so like all the stickiness won't come off. But let's see. I think I'm going to put this, I'm trying to look through the, like right about there. And just wrap it around. Trying to get it straight here. Hello. Okay, that's working. That's working. Now you come over this way. I'm going to have to trim that off right there. Okay. But anyway, there is that. And I'm going to trim that off. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the other 2 of these little glass pieces that I have. Now I'm going to do the same thing with this. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Let's see how many strips. So 1, 2, 3. So that'll be enough for my candle holders. And then this, for this little one, because I want this to be sort of like a little ring dish or something, you know, just something to put maybe like, you know, little pieces of jewelry and whatnot. So, oh, now it's stuck to my hand. Dadgummit. Speaking about jewelry, paparazzi. Only $5 each. 5 for the ring and 5 for the bracelet. If you look in the description box, you will see a link that says paparazzi. Click on that and it will take you to a page where you click on a link that says shop and they'll take you to the jewelry. Yay! Okay, so let's put this on there. Oh, and these nails. These nails. Oh my goodness. I'm not used to wearing nails this long, okay, y'all? But these were sent to me. This is a review product from Amazon. So I'm wearing them. I'm trying them out. Of course, you might see my review on Amazon. Oh, look, one of the little gems came off right there. It's okay. You know what? I think I can cover it. I think I can cover it. Yeah. We'll just bring this around and cover it. But anyway, I'm going to finish sticking this down. I'm going to put these stickers on the other two, and then we'll come back. Okay, so I got the stickers on here. I'm trying to hurry before my power goes out. It's like every time it storms, my power goes off. But anyway, this is our tray, and this will sit. We can get this towel out of the way now. And then these will sit. Let's see, how do I want these to sit? I had it planned out in my head. This one here, and then this one is going to go in the back like so. And then you're going to have like this little cup here, like I said, to sit there for your jewelry or, you know, whatever else you want to put in there. Put a candle in it. I don't care. And then these just fit down right on top like a lid. And let me tell you, it looks a lot better from this side. It's just, they just fit so perfectly in there. There you go. And if you want to, you know, you can use these as like little catch-alls for jewelry and whatnot. But anyway, this is the set. Let me get these filled up. I'm going to put like some cotton pads and, you know, Q-tips, things of that nature. Cotton swabs. Don't sue me, Q-tip. I love your products. Anyway, I'm going to fill these up, and then I'll try to get a better shot for you. And I think, just for the sake of the video so that you can see what's in here, I think I'm just going to stick one of those little battery-powered votive candles down in there. But anyway, let me get it set up so that you can get a better look. All right, y'all, there you have it. There is the finished product, and I really hope that you enjoy it. I liked making it, and I think it's really cute. I mean, you know, you could do all sorts of color combinations with this, you know, to match any place that you want to put it. But anyway, I hope that you enjoyed it. If you would, please give this video a thumbs up, click subscribe, check me out on other forms of social media, the links to all of which will be in the description box down below, and I hope to see y'all next time.